Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, no connection available Windows, new method 2023, Wi-Fi network not showing in Windows 7. First method is click Start, click Control Panel, click Network and Sharing Center. Click Change Adapter Settings, right-click Wi-Fi adapter, click Enable. Second method is type Services in Windows search bar, click Services. Open Ulan Auto Config, change Startup type to Automatic, click Start the service, click Apply, click OK, restart the service. Third method is type CMD in Windows search bar, right-click Run as Administrator. Type net sh space, winsock space, reset. Type net sh space, int space, ip space, reset. Type ipconfig space, /flush DNS. Exit and restart system. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.